Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to show or hide touch keyboard in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the taskbar. On a taskbar, right click on the blank space. Right click on the taskbar blank space. Here we find many buttons. Go to the here show touch keyboard button. Click on this. If it's unchecked, then check this show touch keyboard button. On taskbar, we find now one shortcut. Here is the touch keyboard shortcut. Click on that and your touch keyboard is open in Windows 10. If you want to change it, click at here and go to the here and go to the any touch keyboard or any app or any kind of the touch keyboard. I go with the default touch keyboard. Here we find our touch keyboard and I want to go to the my software. So go to your software that you want to type. Click on the touch keyboard and type your touch keyboard. I go with the default and this kind of the touch keyboard and I type from the my touch keyboard. Okay, I type anything from this touch keyboard and also this kind of the symbols are available on this touch keyboard. So guys, if you want to enable this, that is also very simple. Go to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar and click at here show touch keyboard button and it's removed from the your taskbar. So guys, this is the simplest way to enable or disable or show or hide touch keyboard in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.